Hey, are you ready to record and get the best sound from your Android phone? Secret. Welcome to my YouTube channel GSM Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how you can record and get the best sound from your Android phone using K9 wireless microphone. K9 wireless microphone is among the best wireless microphones to be used on your mobile phone when you are making a video. It may be a YouTube video, a video to use to post on Facebook or on TikTok. You can use this K9, wireless mic. Yeah. So many beginners in YouTube content creation are using their mobile phone. There is no matter when you are using your phone. What you need is to get the best mic to use on your mobile phone so that the sound will be good. Yeah, the problem that they have, those who are using their phone, they get the problem of the sound. The sound has no quality. So if you are among them, I recommend you to buy this wireless K9 wireless microphone. It is the best one. It will provide you the best sound and the best quality. Yeah, there will be no noise. It is very important for you who is using the mobile phone. So there are many kinds of K9 wireless microphone. Yeah, but the most found at the market are two kind. Yes, the one for mobile phone with the charging port type C. Those are Android phones, and the other kind is for iPhone phones. But this one is for Android, and the Android that have charging port type C. Okay, so let's get inside this box and see what we will find there. Okay, let's go. You see, as you see here, there are two mics inside. See, this one and this one. Okay, inside there are two mics, and they are connected. This one is the connector. This one will be connected to the phone, and will connect the phone and the mic. Yeah. Okay. See, two mics here. In this small box. This one is a small box, and in it we'll find the USB cable. Yeah, here is the USB cable to charge this. No, this is not rechargeable, but this mic is chargeable. Yeah, see, there are two mics. Let's continue. There are two mics. You see, these are two. So these mics are rechargeable. You see here, there is a charging port type C. Yeah. If one of these mics is getting low, you can charge with this cable. Yeah, this one. You can charge with this one Okay, you can do like this. Here, see here, let me connect it. Yeah, now it is connected it. Then you can connect it to the charger, any charger. It may be the power bank or any mobile charger. Yeah, okay. Now you saw what is inside. Inside the box there is another paper. There is this paper. This is the guide, the user guide. On this paper you will read how to use this mic. Yeah, see? Okay. Let's continue. So these mics are using to get the best sound from your phone. If you record the voice without this mic or another kind of mic, the quality will not be good anymore. So, but when you use this, you will get the best quality of your voice. Yes. So let me show you how to use them. This is my phone, and then when you want to connect your mic, you have to connect this. This is the receiver. What is recorded by this mic is received by this connector. Yeah. So if you connect this connector, then you have to power on this mic. Yeah, look at here. On this mic there is a power button. This one is power button. To connect it, you have to press on it. You have to press here. See, there is a LED, a green LED. This green LED show you that it is connected to. Now I want to test if the quality will be improved, will it be good, will it be better than recording without any mic. Yeah. Now let me record a short audio. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, GSM Tricks Updated. Yeah, now I finished to record. Let me save it, and then you are going to listen it in order to compare it. When you compare when you record without a mic and then when you record with a mic. Yeah, now I finished to record with a mic. Let me save the audio. Let's listen to this audio. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks Updated. So before the sound the volume record sound. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks Updated. Yeah, now I finished to record this sound, and then you heard that there is no noise. Yeah, I think that everyone hear that there is no noise. This mic is very important. It eliminates the noise from outside or from other things. Yes, so let's continue. I want to record without this connector. Let me disconnect it. Now the mic is searching for the device. The reason why you see red and green light. Yes, it is flashing. Okay. Yeah, it means that there is no connection between any mobile phone with this mic. Okay, let's record without it. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, GSM Tricks Updated. Today we are going to show you how you can record and get the best music, the best sound from your mobile phone. Yeah, let me save this video, this audio. Okay, let's listen. Now I'm recording my voice, in order to check if this mic is important or not, whether it is helping me to get the best sound or not. Okay, you are listening to the two videos. These videos are somehow different. Okay, it is because of this mic. So try to get it, even if it is expensive. You can buy it in order to improve your video quality. Yes, so if you are interested in this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, GSM Tricks Updated, and then you can also click on the bell so that the notifications bell, so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video. So thank you for watching this video and welcome to our new videos like this. Yeah, see you soon.